Hello, welcome to another of my AQA Physics A-level multi-choice questions. If you want to try and answer this question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you didn't and want to hear my explanation, please continue watching. Okay, so we've got 1.5 millijoules of work is done on a charge of 30 microcoulombs as it's moved between 2 points M and N in an electric field. What is the potential difference between M and N? Well, really easy question this one, as long as we remember that potential difference is equal to the work done per unit of charge. So we're told the amount of work done is 1.5 millijoules. That's 1.5 times 10 to the minus 3 joules. And we're told the charge is 30 microcoulombs, or 30 times 10 to the minus 6 coulombs. So the potential difference, just divide those two numbers, is going to come out as 50 volts. Answer D. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope it was useful. Please subscribe, please share. Thank you very much.